kids, good morning. How are you? Okay. This period is the civics period. This period is social science period, economics. Chapter number 1, the story of village Palampur. Topic: organization of factors of production. The aim and the objectives of production is to provide goods and services to the people as per their demands and requirements. Producer produces goods and services. The main of the producer to produce goods and services to fulfill the demand of the consumers, to fulfill the demand and requirements of the consumer. Goods have to be produced before they can consume. A consumer consumes the goods, but it is produced before the consume. प्रोड्यूसर गुड्स सर्विसेज का प्रोडक्शन करता है और कंज्यूमर्स के डिमांड के अकॉर्डिंग या उनकी डिमांड को पूरी करता है, और गुड्स और सर्विसेज आल्सो प्रोड्यूसेस बिफोर कंज्यूम, यानी कंज्यूम करने के पहले उसको प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है। अगर गुड सर्विस होगा ही नहीं तो कंज्यूम क्या किया जाएगा। ऑल दोज हु ऑर्गेनाइज द फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन मीन्स हाउ टू goods and services produce according the demand and requirements. Few people are involved to organize the factors of production for making of goods and services are known as producers. ऐसे वे सभी लोग जो प्रोडक्शन के लिए फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन को एनालाइज करते हैं, व्यवस्थित करते हैं, उसको सुचारू रूप से संचालित करते हैं प्रोडक्शन के लिए, ऐसे लोगों को प्रोड्यूसर कहा जाता है। ऑल दोज हु ऑर्गेनाइज द फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन फॉर मेकिंग ए गुड्स फॉर making goods or services are known as producer. We have studied many times goods and services. A factory produces finished good as for consumers, but what is the production of services? To understand the difference between goods and services, I giving you example of goods production and service production. Like the production of agriculture, textile industries, sugar industry, iron and steel industry, aircraft industry, etc. All these industries produce goods to fulfill the demand of the consumers. IT industry, telephone, postal services, bank, hospitals, schools, communication, transportation, etc. produces services, not any goods, but they provide according to the demand of the consumer or people. In this way, the production of goods belong to production of different kind of articles like soap, cloths, etc. And services means to provide service to the people or consumer, like telephone, postal services, hospitals, schools, communication, transportation are these services not produce any article or commodity, but they provide their services to the people and they take money in the return of their services. Now we study about of factors of production. The inputs that help in the production of various goods and services. Inputs and outputs. You have know about inputs and outputs. Inputs means all the requirements those are needed to conclude a result, and result is the output of the processing of inputs. The inputs that help in the production of various goods and services are called factors of production. All these factors of production are classified in 4 groups. Number 1, labor. Number 1, land. Number 2, labor. Number 3, physical capital. Number 4, entrepreneur. Number 1, land. Number 2, labor. Number 3, physical capital. Number 4, entrepreneur. First we study about land. It generally refers to all natural resources which are free gift of nature. Means in land all these resources, those are natural, considered as free gift of nature, like forest, mountains, hills, soil, plateaus, desert. Though land is free gift of nature, but its supply is less than its demand. That is why it is paid factor price, that is rent. You know that there is scarcity of land in respect of demand. Indeed, land is free natural gift. Due to the scarcity of land, it is a paid factor. Means producer purchase land or takes rented land for their production. सेकंड,